How to change password of an email account in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar, click the Mail option. All the email addresses are listed here. Click the email address you want to change the password for. Either you can enter the password twice in the given text input boxes or generate it automatically. To generate the password automatically, click the Generate button, then show the password to copy and save it. Click the OK button. That's it. You can now use the new password to log in. Thank you for watching.